Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your #1 store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. If you think your product belongs in our store, shoot us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we have a very exciting unboxing of the Lyfe Levitating Plant. Let's get into it. It's a bit heavy. Nice box. Nice. So first you see this wooden oak base. It says Flyte on the bottom, has little rubber feet, quite sturdy and heavy. And here is the pot, the flying, levitating pot. Like this. Cute. Oh, it's got like a rubberized finish on it. Nice. All right. Oh, magnet table. All right, and then we have a little card. It says Lyfe and the instructions. And of course, all of the plugs and cords and cables. So I'm excited to put a little plant in here and get this set up for you. Let me do that and we'll be right back. All right, now I have the plant and I will now show you how I make it levitate. Et voila. Pretty cool, right? The other great thing about the spin that the Lyfe can do for your plant is that it exposes it to all different parts of the sun. So you can put it in the window and it'll get sun on all sides. Pretty cool. Also, it's extremely mesmerizing. You can imagine this on your desk or somewhere at home and just it spinning around like this. It's really, really it feels like a future product. It's really cool. All right, and that is it. That is the Lyfe unboxing. Let us know what you think. Does it make you dizzy? Oh, slow down, little guy. Okay. We'd love to hear what you think in the comment section below. My name's Natalie, and I hope to see you soon at Wiplabs.com.